Space Research Coordination Center, University of Pittsburgh.
Got a big elevator here.
It's originally a General, modernized by Marshall with Innovation Bruiser, and I think it's actually going up.
Okay. Well,
It's fine.
it's like a 5.
No, that's fine. They put this weird protection on the wall since I last rode this elevator. Okay. 5. I wonder if that guy from the 4th floor is going to come back on. Oh, your nice tray lighting, original ceiling. They put the weird protection on the wall since I last rode. It's very big.
This was a general elevator.
Yeah.
Modernized with
By Marshall.
Innovation by Marshall. It might be that same guy.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. 4th floor.
Hey,
I'm on down. Sorry, man.
it's okay.
You're fine.
Perfect. 2.
Okay, I got my cap here.
Yeah. I did this one a while ago, but now I'm back. That was before they renovated. No, you just open. Just loading it up.
With that.
If you'd rather just, yeah, if you'd rather end it, that's fine. Then we'll go to thaw hall, where they just have a crappy shimmering tea. And that's